Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today I had a few minutes before my job starts. It's a little cold, so I got the hoodie on, but I wanted to bring you along for a product I just received yesterday. I got this for $50 off Amazon, and so far it looks pretty impressive. So we're gonna jump right in. So this is the Craftsman Rolling box. It comes in 3 bins. I just set it up last night. Still got some work to do, but I just threw some of my multi-tool bits in there and one of my extra blades and some Wagos in there. Going into the top section, all I really keep in here, or all I think I'm gonna keep in here, is just my my vacuum and my impact, and all my batteries are gonna stay on the top, just so it's easy to get to. Moving down to the next section. This is just like a little tackle box right here. So all I got in this one is different drill bits so far. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it like that, but just figured some of my different drill bits are in here. You know, one place, easy to get to. And then moving down, these are one-off tools that don't use every day. And again, I just bought a 4-pack on sale, so that's why some of these do look brand new. I literally just got it. So I got a circular saw, I got a drill and a light. Those are all brand new. I bought those because I wanted to just stick to one battery system. I was kind of tired of bringing other batteries, so I still have one tool that runs off the Ryobi that I'm gonna eventually swap out. But the way this thing goes back together is the tackle box goes there. This one goes on top. And then these little latches on the side are what secures it. It's not bad. I mean, for $50, I know Milwaukee makes a better one. I'm not stupid. Milwaukee's the way to go if you want to spend 4 times as much. I just started my business this year, so you know, I'm not looking to spend 4 times as much just yet. But you push these buttons and your little handle will go down, and then it locks back out. I'm pretty impressed. For 50 bucks, if this thing holds up even for a year or two, I think it's a win. But I'm gonna get a little bit more dialed in, but that's where we're at so far. So let me know what you guys think, what I could put in the tackle box, or how you would arrange it. Again, I am probably eventually gonna get the Milwaukee one, but I don't have a need for it at this point. This is really just to get the tools in and out of the car every day, so I don't leave them in there overnight. So anyway, guys, appreciate you watching. We'll see you on the next one.